Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 10 ways you can make your internet faster. Restart your router. Sometimes all you need to do is turn things off and back on and everything is alright. Restarting your router may sometimes fix your dead network. Move your router. Wi-Fi signals can get interrupted by walls, floors, ceilings, furniture, and basically any large physical object. It can also get interrupted by radio waves from other devices. Try moving your router around your house and running a speed test to find the best location. You can see these are different detection I did to find out the best location for my network, and I was able to get a good location for my router. It is recommended you place it in a central and elevated location. Also use an Ethernet cable. A wired connection to your router is faster and more stable than Wi-Fi since there is no interference, so try using an Ethernet cable to connect to your network. Switch your Wi-Fi frequency band. Your router uses a particular Wi-Fi channel to communicate with devices around your home. If you have close neighbors who have routers using the same Wi-Fi channel, it can get congested quickly. Switching channels can solve this problem. You can go to your Wi-Fi settings and then check the list of available Wi-Fi bands. Switch between networks. Switch between your available network options to see which performs better. Now if I am running with 3G, it may be bad, so let's run a speed test while I am on 3G. You can see the network speed on my 3G. This is just between 2 megabits to 4 megabits per second. This is really bad and you won't be able to download large files with this network. Now let's see the upload speed. It's even worse than the download speed. You can see the ping, idle latency 53, download latency 664, and upload latency is terrible. Now to make this network perform better, all I have to do is switch between the network. So I can switch from 3G to 4G, or I can just go direct to 5G, and that should fix our network problem. Now if we go back and run the same speed test, you will see our network will perform a lot better than what we are seeing here right now. So sometimes all you need to do is switch between your networks. Disconnect unused devices. If there is any device connected to your router that isn't in use, you should disconnect it. Everything connected to your network should be essential. You can go as far as limiting how many persons can connect to your network, so just select the amount of devices you use. Anything that is not essential should be disconnected. You should also consider trying a new router. Your router and modem process all your internet data, so if it is not up to the task or has limitations, it can slow down your whole network. So if you're dealing with an old equipment, then you should consider getting a replacement. Use a Wi-Fi extender. If your router is in the best location but you're still having speed or connectivity issue in some areas of your house, then you may need a Wi-Fi extender to extend your network range. There are several options online. I will leave the link to some in the video description. Call your ISP. If you have tried everything and you still have problems, you should contact your internet service provider. Most times you will find a customer care line down on your router admin page, and then you can contact them from there and they should be able to help you. And lastly, change your network provider. Sometimes you just have to switch to a different network provider if your current ISP isn't meeting up to your network demands. And a bonus tip, you may have to relocate if everything else fails, or maybe get Starlinks if it is available in your country. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.